Alright. Oh, okay. Alright, this is Monkey Olympics for whatever the title says, so come with me. Come on. Alright, I'm gonna mute you so that, What?
I like your code.
Okay, so, the first game is Mario Kart. All you gotta do is go around the whole map. Go.
I bet.
Go. Wrong way. You're going the wrong way.
Okay. No, Jimmy. Why do I gotta go around the whole map?
You cannot use the fan or mods.
Ah, dang it. Fan or mods? First round I was using a mod.
Go on. Run the map.
I did a lap.
You did?
Yeah, I went there, all the way around.
Did you use the fan?
We're supposed to get to the fan.
You're not supposed to use it. But did you use it?
Oh, yeah, because I went around and I ran up the hill. Whole map.
So you did not use it.
Yes, I did. No, I did not use the fan.
Alright, so you win the first game. So come on.
Yeah.
Everyone, come on.
The first game. Yes. Keep pointing at me.
We're going to parkour now.
I was the first one around. Oh, let's go. I'm so at the.
I didn't say go. Come back over here. Come back over here. Come back over here.
Get back over here. Guys, I'll be right back. Big booty back here.
There's your stuff.
I'll have one win. Oh.
Let me just do this real quick. I never say go. I'm just doing it.
Damn, he didn't say go. Go back.
You guys, go back.
Get back here. Bloody hell, get your ass back here, party hat.
Whoa. Do not cuss again. Yeah.
The first one that I used is not in the English book.
Alright, first. Hey, party hat. Stop it. Go back over there.
Cheating! Get your
Back.
butt back here. Yeah, nobody cares. Nobody cares. You're disqualified!
Alright, first one over here wins. Go. Except for party hat. Because he won't listen.
Disqualified! I know I'm not winning.
Alright, you win the second game.
I'm really gonna win this. I'm gonna win this.
Alright.
No!
Someone already won. Which is, of course, the person I had to mute because they said the N-word.
Bloody hell, why does it always happen to me?
Come on, someone already won.
You always happen to me! Bloody freaking hell! I give up. I give up. 666. Of course I got second! Okay.
Come on. Oh, shucks, we can't go in there. Everyone, come to the beat.
Well, that's too bad, dude. You lost your chance. Where the heck the...
I'm going to the beach map. Now you better come here.
I said it's bloody hell. It's not that bad. Alright? I'm using the British buses, alright?
It's British. I don't like British people. Specifically the ones that we beat in 1776.
How dare you not like British people? We're amazing.
British people tried to colonize the United States.
Yeah. And yo, bro, he wants you to unmute him.
I'm not unmuting you. I know you're gonna say the N-word again.
I'm back. My thighs hurt for some reason. I don't know why.
All right. So
He won't say. Here, I'll tell you everything that he says to me. All right, bro. Tell me. He won't say it. He won't
Alright, go right there. I'm gonna go hide somewhere and, Hey, stop following me!
Get your butt back there! I got so we can't see him. I'm a soak bag. I'm a soak bag. Yeah, I do too. Where are you guys?
Alright, come find me.
He's probably hiding somewhere in the water.
No, I'm not.
He's not. Water would be good for you. Yo, I see him.
You don't see me.
It sounds like goes all the way out there. I see him. I see him. I can see him. Well, your new nickname for me is Edward Boy. Hey, there you are. Wait, that I can't. Okay, good.
They did see me first. So like,
Where are you?
so come on. Come up here. Alright. We're going to forest now because I feel like it.
Hey, he said the N word again.
He's muted. So I can't hear him.
He said the N word again. Natural. Hey, Purple, chill. Chill with the N word. God damn it.
Whoa.
This is natural.
Calm down.
Hey, that's different. There's a lot of people that get used to it, actually.
Alright. You.
Nah, bro.
So since you win, do you have anything you want to shout out? Like YouTube channel, TikTok. Purple, you're muted.
Anyway. Stop it. Can I shout out 2 TikTok accounts?
Sure.
Alright. So, give a shout so to Polar Bear GT and to Aiden.
Who's Aiden?
That's the name of his thing. He's my friend.
Okay.
You guys missed me. You guys missed me.
Womp womp. So that's all the video, and you better subscribe to me and like my video and share it to every single person known to mankind.
What is your channel?
I'll tell you when I'm done recording. So
Can I tell you my channel?
so yes, you better subscribe.
Can I tell